You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. I've said correctly. What is this word? Well, it's the name of a pope. Pius is the English pronunciation for short, but, yes, there's a but, this is more of a Latin name, pronounced in Latin, Pius. Pius, Pope Pius. There's been a few Pius popes. In English, however, the correct and normal standard pronunciation in English is as Pius, alright? So if you say Pius, it's perfectly fine, but if you hear Pius, Saint Pius, for example, well, that's the Latin pronunciation, so it's also correct. Pius in English, Pius in Latin. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.